giving this beautiful opportunity to introduce myself. Uh, my name is Dipesh Bhasharkar. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. And if I talk about my family, so we are four members in my family. My parents, my younger brother, as well as me. And my father is a construction worker, and my mother is a homemaker. And my younger brother is preparing for government exam. And I'm doing engineering, ma'am. Currently, I'm in third year BTech, and my branch is computer science. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love playing chess and watching English web series and spending time with my friends and family. So
Do you want I also introduce myself?
yeah, sure, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, I am Dipali and I am also from Maharashtra. I am from Amravati, but not exactly in Amravati. I live in a village. Amravati is near to Nagpur. I teach online. I love to spend my time in nature, serving water and food to birds, and
Okay.
making sketches in my leisure time, and reading books. All these are my hobbies. That is all about me. Yeah,
Wow. Nice.
yeah. I want to know that why do you want to learn this language? And
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Actually, the first reason is I love this language. I don't know why. Uh, it's my childhood dream to speak fluent English, and
Mhm.
also it's like it is a global language, so it's very helpful for my career growth. And also, I'm doing engineering BTech, so mm, it's very helpful for cracking the interview. So yeah, this is the
Yes,
absolutely
yeah.
right.
So you are speaking well. How did you learn to speak? Please share your journey.
Uh, Uh, Actually, to be honest, ma'am, I started my journey on in this year uh, uh,
Okay.
at 1st January. I just uh, start listening this on conversation type videos on YouTube. I
Mhm.
listen. I also listen your videos, ma'am. One and half a month before start I listening your videos also. I
So recently I have bought one book, Sudha Murthy ma'am book, 3000 Stitches. And before that I read one more book and it is this, Attitude is Everything.
Oh yes, yes. I know book. I know. Right. I know.
Yeah, it is written by Jeff Keeler and it has written in very lame language. You can read it easily and
Yes, ma'am. I try. Definitely, I try.
yeah. So you are from Nagpur. I want to know, tell me something interesting about Nagpur.
Uh, okay. So, actually, Nagpur is famous for oranges production. And another thing is actually I'm not go outside, so I don't know lot of things. I don't know. I only stay in my home because of my study. So. Yeah, basically, I'm not from Nagpur city. Basically, I'm from my village. My village name is Karanla. Yes, and I came here for my study
Studies.
purpose. For my yeah, for my studies. I live with my cousin. Yeah.
Okay. And what's about kanda poha, flatter rice, onion flatter rice
Oh,
are popular. How
yeah,
can we
yeah,
forget flatter
yes.
rice?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes. In the Nagpur Kanda Poha, Curry Poha, it's very famous.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Actually, nearby my room, there is a very famous shop.
Hmm.
Yes.
And
Uh,
have you seen that Nagpur airport? I haven't seen it. I wish I could be there, but I did not get opportunity to go there. So have you been there?
yes, ma'am. Yes. Actually, ma'am, I live. My place name is Chij Bhavan. Chij Bhavan, and near my room, like 2 to 3 kilometers far,
That airport is, yeah.
airport. Yes, airport, and also metro station also nearby my room, and
Mhm.
uh, bus stop is also nearby my room.
Can you please share some memories that as a villager, first time you are visiting Nagpur and at airport? So how was your feeling as a villager?
My God, wow, it's a very I never imagined the city. It's really beautiful city. Nagpur is there.
Diksha Bhumi is there, right? I heard about Diksha Bhumi as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Diksha
Yeah.
Bhumi is there, and also Maharaja Bagh. Uh, it's like a zoo,
Yeah.
uh, and there is a Raman Science Center.
Can you please tell me about your village as well because you come from village. So,
Yes,
how is village life as well, and how is everything going at your village?
my village life is too good, ma'am. I really enjoy there
Mhm.
because I have a lot of friends there, and
Mhm.
yeah, actually my village is famous because of jungle safari.
Have you ever been to Chikaldara as well? Because it is our
Oh,
place. Eh.
oh my God, yes, ma'am. Last year, with my family, we went to Chikaldara, but my experience is not very good because
The routes
yeah,
were not straight. It is very dangerous, and there's lots of valleys. On one side, it's a mountain, and there is one small space, and it is road, and then again, it's a big valleys. We get scared, and
oh
drivers get scared sometimes. Yeah, it is
yes,
risky
ma'am,
to go
yes, yes,
there.
yes, ma'am,
Mhm.
yes. My actually at that traveling, my heartbeat is very fast, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So your heart missed the beat that time
Yes.
while traveling. Mhm. And what's about Eco Point? Have you visited Devi Point, Eco Point, or did it not go there? Eco
Uh,
Point is
uh,
at Chittalgarh, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. We visit all the places. All the places. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what is
But
popular at Chikaldara as well? Strawberries are popular at Chikaldara. Have you tasted strawberry from Chikaldara?
strawberry. I don't know, ma'am, what is the famous there. I don't know about that. Because at that time we are went there like rainy season. All over
Mm-hmm.
very fast rain. Yes.
So it was an heavy rain. You can see it was pouring.
Oh,
Pouring means it was raining cats and dogs, right? It was raining
right.
heavily.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Do you like to watch movies as well?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. I love to watch movies. Yes, I love.
So have you watched that movie Chhava or not?
No, ma'am. I only watch English movies and English web series.
Please tell me your favorite Hollywood movie.
Yes. My favorite Hollywood movie is it's very old movie. You heard about Titanic movie? Yeah, Titanic is
Yeah,
my
yeah,
favorite movie.
I heard about it. Yeah.
Yes, and if we talk about web series, so I love Game of Thrones, and Money Heist.
I heard about it. It is popular series, right? People are so crazy for this series, and I don't like
Yes.
fightings and all, and they just cut people and all. I don't like it at all. I don't know what makes people to watch that series again and again. But
Uh,
it's not my genre. I watch science fiction movies. Interstellar, Inception,
so
and
yes, ma'am.
um,
I watch.
have you watched these movies?
Yes, yes. Is Interstellar, Inception, Tenet. Uh, it's directed Christopher Nolan. Yes, yes, yes. I watch.
Okay. Have you seen that any Marathi movie that put some different impact on your personality?
Personality Marathi movie. Uh, I when I child. So I watch a lot of Marathi movies. I don't know, like I don't remember now names, but I watch a lot of movies. Yes.
Mhm. So have you watched that movie Bhikari?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I watch Bhikari movie. Yes.
Yeah, how was your experience? And can you please give me some review about that movie as well? How was your experience after watching that movie?
I not remember like very well, but yeah, it's something like he's a very rich person, uh,
Hmm.
and suddenly he for her mother, he begging like yeah, something
Yeah,
like that.
he
Yes,
started begging. Yeah, he started her begging for her
begging.
mother.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. Uh, yeah, at the end of the movie, actually, his mother is survive.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Actually, the story line of that movie is that even you are a crorepati or whatever it is, he would not save his mother by his own money. His mother needs that blessings, and that blessings should be come with that begging money. And he started to beg without telling that he is a rich person, and that is how he bring lots of money, only the treatment money, and as he saved that money, then he get back to that place, and then he cleared the billing of that hospital, and his mother get well. And 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 he did that as well, because one of son told him that if you are not willing to do that, so your mother will not survive. So only for his mother life, he started begging in that. Nowadays no one do lots of things for their parents, right? But that movie was something that teaches us that your parents are everything in your life, right? So I love that movie lots. And have you seen that movie as well, like Bhari?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, I feel like Ritesh Desh, Ritesh Deshmukh.
Ritesh Desh, Genelia D'Souza. She
Emilia
was not
Dishra.
a song, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I saw. Yes, I saw.
Mhm. So, how many languages do you speak?
Yes, I speak Marathi and Hindi, and now I'm trying to speak English. Yes, yes, I agree with you, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Dipesh, you have shared lots of things. You have shared your journey, and you comes from very small village, and you are completing your education from now city.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
it was fascinating conversation, I must say. And I also believe that you have learned something different from this session. If you have any question for me, please go ahead and ask me. I'm all ears.
My short-term goal is I want to just in this year I want to just able to speak like basic English. Yes.
Mm-hmm. You're already speaking basic English, but I want to share some tips with you. Start to read books. Start from Sudha Murthy ma'am book, and read as much as you can, and also listen lots of content. Write and speak. 20 minutes speaking is enough, but you need to be consistent in this language, and just be patient. That is the formula and
Uh,
secret for spoken English. Dipesh, I'm getting late for the another session. I have another session lined up. I need to attend that session as well. And
okay.
thank you so much for
Okay.
joining the session. Have a great
Thank
day.
you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.